Most of the tropical storm force winds that we expected yesterday and last night are over, but we will still see occasional bands of up to 40 miles per hour through the middle of the day. Heavy rains and flooding will continue. We recommend that everyone in areas that are flooded stay inside, wait until the waters recede. There could be down power lines that could electrify the water. And, I think we fared much better than Broward. I've seen images from Broward County where neighborhoods are completely underwater.
Watching the news, and there's a lot of people's houses that are torn, like wet inside. I'm just thankful that inside the house is not wet.
I've lived here since 1975, so I've seen pretty much every storm that's come through here, and this was pretty heavy rain as compared to some of the others.